Is Justin Ray Parras, 16 years old. I'm live here in Santiago, Santo Tomas, Batangas. Things are interested in riding a bike. This ties nicely with traveling, but it also helps understand risk and take calculated risk. In the future, I want to become an engineer. I will succeed by studying hard and focusing on what I need to learn and to do succeed. My hidden self is represent information feeling aspect of your personality that you know about yourself but you don't reveal to others. Religion is Catholic tradition that brings family member closer to God. Should be a family is first priority. Communicate with shared memory of friends or facial expression. Family, a deep sense of love and belonging is an irreducible need of all people. We are biologically, physically, and spiritually wired to love, be loved, and to belong. Politics view your family. First, my grandmother. She lived with US when I was a child, or rather, we lived with her as she owned the house, the business, and the property. View in the current government. Politics in the Philippines are governed by a three-branch country is a democracy, with a president who is directly elected by the people and serve as both the head of state and the head of government. Who are your friends or groups belongs to? We contribute our ideas and talents, find comfort during difficult times, and make friends who share our values, interested, and experience. You become a friend. Making a close connection takes work and time. I might be more introverted and enjoy spending time alone, while my best friend might be more extrovert and thrive in social situations. Deviant behavior is that considered strange or morally unacceptable. It can vary from society to society. It can be criminal or non-criminal. As a student, I can contribute to make my country a better place to live in doing simple things like joining a government or barangay activities, like planting trees, proper segregation of waste, throwing my trash into trash bin. Youth can affect society in many ways, including by being involved in community activities, taking on leadership roles, and developing creative solutions to problems. Thank you for the video.